Hello everyone, welcome. We're in a warehouse here, and this is the warehouse of SF International. And as we promised, we've delivered the excavator. We sourced for it, we bought it, and we delivered it safely into the BuzStop Boys' hands. The delivery will be done not today. We have to assemble and then do a few things and test it and all of that. And so before Friday, today, let's say Friday, it can be picked up, it's ready to pick up. We had to, remove things from here that were blocking the excavator, but it's here, and it's been here for a while, and you'll get it very soon, and everyone can get it very soon.
Yes. So how many days has it been here?
Oh, it's been here a little over almost a month now.
Okay.
Yeah, if not a little.
Can you tell us how it's being operated?
How it's being operated?
Yeah.
Okay. I have no idea. I just buy. I'm just a buyer, and I need to make sure I buy the right thing, the correct thing, the quality, give you the value of your money. And so that is done. But I'll go the extra mile and make sure it's assembled. But that's just where I can drive but not these ones. So maybe Koju knows how it's done, or he'll find some more.
Okay, so why has it been long for here that it has not been assembled yet up to now?
Okay, that's a good one. Well, so like I said, the machine is for the BuzStop Boys. We do the buying and bringing it here. And so if he gives us a go ahead to do something about it, we'll do, like assemble it, but he had to pay for the shipping and duty and whatnot. And so it's completed today, to be completed today. Yesterday Wodemaya, thanks to Wodemaya and everyone who supported. No, yesterday Friday? Monday. Today, sorry, Monday. So yes, thanks to everyone who came to Pongo to give donations. But it is here and everything is done. We just have to assemble it and then we can hand it over to the BuzStop Boys.
Okay. I want to know if you can drive it on our normal
road, or
That's
if they are sending it to the location, they can put it on something.
Okay, so we have two. Yes, we have a trolley. The yellow at the back is the trolley. This is a tie for the trolley. One tie and then another tie is right there. And so we'll put them together, and then this vehicle is actually not meant for the road on the normal, but we'll put these ties on the rubber ties so they can use it on the road. But it doesn't go too fast, so we'll be on the trolley. The trolley has tires, and then but on site we'll have this and won't cause too much damage to whoever is being worked on.
Like, I wanted to know where exactly would this tie be?
Oh, okay. So you're not seeing it because it's put together, right? But the yellow one at the back, right? It's a trolley, so it will sit like this, and then these tires will be at the ends, and then one side can be hooked to a car with this.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have your lamp or wherever you can hook it, and then the machine will be on the trolley. Yeah. So you can and then that's it. This is I don't really remember the details, but it's not air cooled, it's water cooled. So it can work for as long as you want it to work. If it's air cooled, you have to leave it for it to cool down and whatnot. We don't want that. We want the BuzStop Boys to be working fast and efficient. And so we just put water or coolant, and then you're good to go, and then diesel, and then you're good to go. Yes. On Friday, when assembling is done, we'll test it. We'll put fuel in and put all of them, we'll test it. Or when he comes, so we see it together. It's his, so we have to see it together. So he also gets the feedback. Yes.
Okay, so how fast does it run? Do you have any speed limits to that?
Yes, the specs are there. I can get on my phone, but with water cooled, you don't need to rest. The machine doesn't need rest. Just water or coolant, and then you can just go about your day. There are different types. There are ones that you have to let the machine rest after about 4 hours or 2 hours, between 2 to 4 hours. But this will just keep going. Water and coolant, and then fuel, and that's it. You just keep going.
Okay, what specific places are they supposed to be used so that at least it won't get stuck? Since the work that they are going to do is mostly of drains.
Right. Oh, this is all terrain. Water doesn't, can barely get inside. Right? And so this can work anywhere. You can use it for your garden work, for a gutter, even construction. This can be used to do the foundation and whatnot. And then we got a spare. It's a grip somewhere here. They all assembled and all of that. We'll dismantle them, and then I'll explain all of them and their roles and whatnot.
Okay.
Right. Yes.
Finally, I say, Abu, after the Abuanya between Naire, DJ says, "Oh, share Ghana Hattie to Navi for me, no, who are no about." I said, "Yes, no comfort me, Tigaman, by him who resource neither. By the mission, the idea, the guy can say the enemy and his scanner. The old man wants the granny as ever got a pen, and it's natural pen. And the obedient shatter wallet 30,000 cities or my everywhere. Present Mama, my 50,000, you be top boy idea. And they can share has it. I go for a brave, so 1 city, be 2 city, be 100,000. Scan there, they brave. You do it, my dear account, but I can say, and I make up. But finally, they didn't actually, yes, I said, you come out to a chim 1 year. Do a be as a bass and back near fighting. I don't know, I haven't prepared. So I say, perform the BuzStop Boys. And I'm scanner movie. But maybe you'll be checking a car. I'm in Timwa, it's a scanner. It's not my award one, so the Senate Diana. Or Mammy resource, and now more music as woman. And I don't know finally. Monday, 20,000 cities are now can. Wodemaya and now more boy now online for machine in the mini excavator. You know, there's a sorry, you shovel any pickers, adding, but the material and obey the adding. The end of which and I preparatory. I'll should be an obia boy. That's it. As a mean, and I say, Ghana no be I'll say in a boy. But it doesn't end here. It's easy. We now got time ball of 50 BC one more. Now, say Ghana, it doesn't young couple with Shagana. I can't say over the Sawaji. The home is a Brunisian. Now, I drink and I want my own sing all day. To the Sawaji now, who's at the air cannon, the air Cobanana. in all the rhetorics in the economy, but now you are always the victim. You go Pongo no half like they are on our bread. The TV8 with the wow victim, but on our breast, as on malaria and cholera and typhoid chiwa. On our brownies cow to the air canyon as a brass 68 years near Ghana J found near internet and some you, ya be 68 years in who resource. I've been in Tizimont, so maybe I would take that and let's say in Sune by June, July, over tea soon from Manka. The one thing I want to not movable, one student mattress doesn't end there, and the TV 32 inches crown 2,500. It's over transfer out the money I must say because you first say you be a you must obviously put them out there. And when you go for some kind of watch.
Na omo aboa no aboa for no dia so na ka shedia.
As I can see another mom we say so munya ye muji di nko say go go ye the mom a omuni on the buy di ntia omo bisa no. And no crash say see dom as bibia nti ewie this is just maybe the first machine equipment in there. Yeah, people this is street sweeper. I mean, they be I'm say 68 years, and then in the age of technology and AI, and also short teeth is quite beside AI. I know what short teeth is the amount. I didn't think that's it's a prior thing, prior coins or prior street sweeper. Everything I hear Juma clean it by 1 kilometers in 30 minutes. Now for the nipa by 100 pound here prior. Until say step it up your game. For the same reason, I mean, because say what 2025 model of Toyota in this country. We should also have 2025 models of all the cleaning equipment in Ghana. Unless of course we are not serious about anything environment. Regardless that and so environment man as was assassin a share wo to me any baby out here and nyango point in the Bible or catch Israel for the baby amuti ni baby yimo fia e de makwa asase and fisu ayesuma man cause the more heavy street or the more asase so nti me gidi say in all that we are doing aha asase we so na say tran ya bo bra papa ansa na nyango pon I extending to heaven if the area say like say nkwan the mom simple yes you me be no correct now and over almost 150,000 cities.
Yes.
And finally is here.
Before say me jawa ma wa Friday we for Wodemaya obegwa oba Monday ebe ya pay for fun this all sikane so ono akasa promise amount be say odebegwa ono so dia sam na o kan dia kire no
any John Dumelo so
Wodemaya the dynamic and as if influence because me who be with the shutter online on also raise 30,000 but Wodemaya they on the streets truffle in a jig within some period of from 3, 4, 5 hours and what me has 20,000 cities first now when say the street the king of the street shutter but I think then the assistant Wodemaya right there at the Punglo maybe busy you have a lot of people unlike if you have Makola La Paz and all of that but then to be able to raise 20,000 cities right there and there, Charlie, respect for Wodemaya. If influence is a human, say influence a nipa, maybe say I'm a friend of Wodemaya. A Chinese word, well.
Yes.
Okay, by the way, it's Wodemaya. I don't know what's on a day honorable John Dumelo by it. Nina, ya chechira, the rest of Wodemaya. On the influence in Nina.
Yomo yeno, Shane Crime, very good. You know what I mean? And you know. I mention me shipping Yama if you wherever be okay be a ship bro but no take China obviously China try the fake say and everyone you say all of them so okay miss solve the problem and many also solve the problem it makes me aboa na solving the problem be na ya boy on one boy which and I'm here so I post this off Excavator na me reach here I say okay be there say bit man e din komo and say Excavator is here into we naturally say well we're not just here for the money, we're here to actually build the country together, which we can do this together, but we need to start from somewhere and we have started.
All right, can I see